Hello everyone, and today we're going to be discussing the trade that I opened today during lunch hour macro, and I'm gonna outline all the reasons I got in a trade and I got out of the trade. So let's get into it. It's been a while since I made the video like this, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. You will see the live execution after the trade breakdown, so stay tuned. Let's go to the daily chart first. I'm gonna remove the executions here. So as you can see, yesterday we had a big dump, which after CPI news we had a dump down. We mitigated this daily parabolic gap, which I was anticipating price to react off of, and we have an SMT, higher time frame SMT here. If we go on an ES chart, as you can see, ES is not even close to this parabolic gap. So I anticipated that this was the retracement of price. Price is still bullish, guys. If you want the analysis, it is still bullish. We have not disrespected any major bullish PD area yet. So if I go on a 4-hour time frame, we have an accumulation here, manipulation, distribution to the downside yesterday. And what I want you to guys look here is that we have this bearish PD array that I think is the fake PD array and is not gonna hold too long. Only if we displace from here, we might go bearish, but if we don't displace from this PD array, there's a breaker block here, low, high, lower, low, and we have a unicorn model here. If we don't displace from this PD array, we won't have a SMT on this size with the ES. I don't think we're going to be bull bearish anytime soon. As you can see, what we are getting right now is I can't delete it. So what we are getting now is we have an SMT on this size right now. We took out this high on ES, and we didn't take out that on NQ. If we displace from here more, I think we're going to go bearish and disrespect the bullish PD arrays that we have on the left. So let's go ahead and talk about today's market. We have an accumulation, as you can see. News comes out, manipulates the lows, mitigates the PD array that I showed you on daily time frame. I live traded today as well with my Discord. So we opened this trade. Let me show you the trade that I opened was this. I missed it on my funded account, but I had it open on my challenge account because I didn't care about the fill on my challenge accounts. This was a trade. There's a proof. I'm not saying I opened it on funded because I missed it actually. So we were bullish today. I was waiting for a retracement at least into the premium of this range, and that's what we got. I was targeting yesterday's lunch highs, this high. This was a trade. Trade was on this order block here and the breaker. We had a breakaway gap down here that I didn't see, or else I would enter on my funded accounts as well. 1 to 3 risk to reward. That's what we entered on live session. Then there was another entry which my students took actually. Then during lunch hour macro, price retraced into this range discount. We have a higher time frame order block here. If I go on a 15-minute time frame, we have an order block here that I was anticipating price to hold and go higher, way higher, at least into this 15-minute parabolic gap. And if we go on a lower time frame where the lunch hour macro was, it is from 1250 to 1310. This is your lunch hour macro, guys. The time is the most important part here because we started moving from here and lunch hour macro actually delivered us to the buy side. The trade was when we came down, soup this low. We're still in the PD array. We're still in this parabolic gap. We have an order block here, this down close candle that we ticked. And once price disrespected this bearish parabolic gap, and we made an intermediate time low where I was anticipating the price going to be making this low as an intermediate, because it was, as the macro says and as the price says, this is the last manipulation before we go up. If price is bullish, this should be your last manipulation, leg down. I entered on the disrespect of this. You're gonna see in the live execution, my stop was on this low, and my target was actually this buy side. And furthermore, I trailed my stop here. No, I didn't trail. I had my stop there, and my target was actually somewhere around here. You're gonna see in the live execution. So price went bullish. I was anticipating bullish prices, but the reason why I exited here, because we had a 50-minute fair value gap. So this was my low hanging fruit target. That's all I need to be profitable, guys. You don't need the biggest targets. You don't need like 100, 200 points a day, because it is low probability price to be this volatile as it was today, because we had a big dump yesterday and we have a big pump today. So it is really low probability to hold your trades the long. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new today. If you like this type of videos, it doesn't get views. I don't expect these videos to get views, but it's just for my community and for my viewers. As always, have a great trading. Goodbye.